Hi guys, with another video. This this is just updating the information, and yeah, as you see now this light. Let me show you it closer. This is the AT&T fiber connection. I had a problem. Previous videos I showed that what kind of problem I had. So as you see right now, this is the, excuse me, let go. Okay, right there. As you see before, a previous video, it was showing the alarm red light. Now there is no red light anymore. Power is green, beyond green, and data is light yellow kind of, or light green. Yes, technician, he came and he told me that if you have a red light of this alarm, if it's a red on, and you have to call right away to technician. And he told me that it's not the problem from the inside the house, it's outside the house. There is a box on the street, and he told me that, and I just tied the cable and pull it back the cable. He told me that information. After that my computer, internet starts to work. This is just updating you guys. You can know that if you have a red light, once again, if you have again right there, if alarm is red, and then you need to call, you don't need to pull the cable and put it back and wait it. I did all those things, but it didn't work out. So yeah, you can try again. I don't know, it's your choice. But yes, I just want to inform that it didn't work with me. And I called the AT&T technician. He explained to me that if you have a alarm, alarm is red light, just call the company and they can come and they can fix this. This is not inside the house problem, but this is the outside the house. They have a box, they just fixing from there. Okay, once again, thank you for watching this video. Hopefully this video is gonna be helpful to you. Just be happy, enjoy your life. All right, bye bye.